Alam nyo ba na may branch na pala sa Binondo, yung viral na Japanese restaurant na may long sushi at sushi tacos? Hello, I'm Darisel Tita, and I'm here at Magura Izakaya's newly opened branch located at the ground floor, Imperial Wing ng Lucky Chinatown Mall, Binondo, Manila. This new branch has a very clean, spacious, and well-lit interior. At meron din sila ng signature big lantern ng Magure. At dahil nga new branch ito, sinubukan namin yung mga bagong dishes nila. Kagaya nitong new favorite ko na sushi tacos. Sweet and savory itong bulgogi tacos. At very umami naman yung salsa chicken. Parehong panalo ang lasa at texture nito, as in masarap at sobrang crispy nung sushi taco shell. Ito namang Mountain Don, in-order namin yung chicken nanban and sauce pork cutlet. Grabe yung serving, diba? Para ka na rin umorder ng dalawang dish dahil may creamy and tangy na chicken nanban at sweet and tender na pork cutlet. Ito naman yung viral nilang 50 centimeters na maki at yung half and half na pork sisig at salmon yung in-order namin. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang classic favorites ko here like gyoza, enoki maki, shrimp tempura, and chicken karage. Sa drinks naman, we had the mixed berry shake and matcha shake. O diba, kung naghahanap kayo ng Japanese resto dito sa Binondo, visit na kayo sa Magura Izakaya.